Here's how you can add a what3words address field to Shopify Basic. In the Shopify App Store, find the free what3words app. Click Install. This will open the installation process page. Open your online store in a new tab to keep this page open. Your online store will open on Themes. Click Customize. This will take you to your store page. Select Cart in the drop-down menu. Go to Add section, choose Apps and select what3words widget. Find the App section in the menu, which will include what3words, and drag it up, above the Checkout button. This is what it should look like. Click Save. Then return to the instructions and press I have completed the steps to finalize the installation.